Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to attach a Google Doc to an email. So let's get started the video. You can attach a Google Doc to an email by two options. First, you can copy the link from the Google Docs and paste it here. Open your Google Docs document, then click on Share. Here under General Access, click on this drop-down and select anyone with the link. Then copy the link by clicking Copy Link. Once you are done, go to the email and then paste your document link. There is another way to attach the Google Doc as a file. Now click the Drive icon at the bottom of the email window. Find the Google Docs file and then click on it. Then click Add as a link. And as you see, your document is attached to the email. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.